How to completely uninstall CleanMyMac from your macOS. Warning: these steps remove app files and related helpers. Backup important data first. 1. Quit app plus stop helpers 1.1. Quit CleanMyMac. Menu bar icon quit. 1.2. Open Activity Monitor and force quit any processes named CleanMyMac, CleanMyMac X, MacPaw, or related helpers. 1.3. In System Settings General Logging Items, remove any CleanMyMac entries. 2. Remove Main App. In Finder Applications, drag CleanMyMac or CleanMyMac X to the trash, empty trash. 3. Remove leftover files. Check these folders. In Finder, press CMD plus Shift plus G and paste each path. Delete CleanMyMac, MacPaw items found. 2. Library, Application Support. 2. Library Preferences. Look for .com, .paw, or .com. CleanMyMac. 2. Library Caches. 2. Library Logs. 2. Library Launch Agents. Library Launch Daemons. Library Application Support. Library Preferences. Library Extensions, if any MacPaw kernel extensions exist. Also check to Library Containers, to Library Group Containers, to Library Launch Daemons. If you find files named like .com, MacPaw, CleanMyMac, Plist, CleanMyMacs, Menu, or MacPaw folders, move them to trash. 4. Remove helper tools and system extensions. In System Settings Privacy Security, check extensions or full disk access and revoke any CleanMyMac permissions. If there are launch agents, daemons left, remove their Plist files from Library Launch Daemons or Library Launch Agents and reboot. 5. Verify and reboot the Mac. After restart, search Spotlight for CleanMyMac, MacPaw, or known file names. Delete any remaining items. Optional, use the official app, Uninstaller. If you prefer a tool to automate cleanup, the built-in default Uninstaller-Installer will find related files. Note: in CleanMyMac, click Applications in the sidebar. Click Scan and wait for the results. Click Manage My Applications. Then go to the Uninstaller category. Find and select CleanMyMac in the list of installed apps. Click Uninstall and confirm your action. CleanMyMac will remove itself completely, leaving no leftovers on your Mac. If you can't delete a file, boot into safe mode. Hold Shift during startup and delete the files there. Or use sudo rm in terminal. Advanced users only. Example, sudo rmrf path to file or folder. Be extremely careful with sudo rmrf.